Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install Golang. So let's get started. So first thing, just Google Golang download. You'll be getting the first link from go.dev. Just click download and install, and here we'll be having the download option. Click here, and this video is going to be for Windows, so you'll be having this Microsoft Windows option. Click here and the download will be getting started. So it is about 60 MB in size, so just be patient till then. So once the download is complete, just open it and we'll be getting the Go programming language setup. Just click on next and accept, next, and I am fine with this default path, next, and just click on install and just click on finish. And now if I go to my command prompt and search for Go, here you can see I have got the necessary commands for Go, and if I type Go space version, I'll be getting the Go version. So the path for the Go folder has been automatically added to our environment variables. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Check them out. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.